Hello everyone, this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I have a very good question in SQL. So this is the interview question, okay, and they give you the data sets, and most probably not they give you, they wanted to perform the SQL, they wanted to check your logic, okay. So the question is like, how will you find out the most visited floor in the given the data sets? Okay. So the output they are looking for the output. They want A and B, which is the name, and what is the floor, and what is the number of visited the most floor. That's it. Okay, out of the data. And the data set we have, let me show you the data. Okay, so if you see the data, we have the six records. We have the name, address, email, floor, and resources. Okay, and the given the data, they are looking for the you need to like identify the number of floor, the most visited number of floors in the given the data sets. Okay, so how can you find that? So in this question, they are looking for your logic for the filtering and the logic for like how can you combine the data sets, maybe the group by, they wanted to check your logic basically. Okay, so it seems to be very simple, but it's in meanwhile, this is quite complicated as well. As if you know like the concept of the SQL, how can you find out the group by and the rank over partition, then you definitely achieve this question. Okay, so let me start solving the question. I hope you understand the question right now. I will provide you the data set in the description link. You can copy from there and start practice on that. Okay, so I'm looking for, let's say I need everything from the data sets. Okay, and I'm interested to see name and floor and what is the count of the number of visits. That's it. And I will say group by 1 and 2. Okay. So after we group by, so we have the number of floors and what is the number of visits. Okay. And what they are interested to see, they wanted to see the number of most visited floor in the given the data sets. If they are talking about the most visited floor, then we need to come up with another approach. The approach will be, so I'm taking rank over and I'm going to partition by the name. Partition by name, and I'm going to say uh, order by count. This is going to my descending, and I'm saying as RNK. This is going to be the my alias for the RNK. Okay. What happened? Okay. 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 So if you see, so we got the first rank of the uh, 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 for the A. Okay. And second rank will be assigned for the A as well as. Okay. So first rank to, so we got the rank for the most visited. If you see my flag rank, so we have the number visited two and number of visited two. So that's it. We are, so we all set now. So we need to convert it into the city. So I'm saying with, uh, let's say floor visit as So I'm saying, let me give you select stuff from flow visit where R and K equal to 1. Okay. I think from group by 1, 2. Okay, here we go. By mistakenly, I've removed the group by. So see, we got the output as they requested. So this is the final output. We got the Airbnb name at the most visited floors. Okay. So this is how you can solve this question. Okay. Seems to be very easy, but logic like they need to the group by, they need to the rank over the partition by. So you need to understand the logic behind that. Then you're able to answer that. If you like this video, please make sure subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching this.